mini tilt's a real simple bit of kit, and today we're going to be stripping it down part by part. Hi guys, I'm Korde from Attach2, look after sales and support. The tools you need to complete this job are very basic. That's a rubber mallet and a punch, and a couple of spanners, so a 13, 16 and 17. Hey, a rattle gun if you got it, 13mm socket and a 16mm socket too. First thing we're going to do here is remove the cylinder pin bolts that come through each cylinder eye. As removed, you can punch out the cylinder pins. With those out, now you need to take the two bolts off the back and the through bolt that holds the main center pivot pin. Those all off, now we can knock off that rear backplate. But now to take the cylinder out, if you just rotate that out so the eye comes free from the base and simply pull it out. Do that on both sides if you need to. Next part, if you want to strip it down even further, take out these two top pins. Get those out. Finally, we're going to remove the main center pin. So that's the whole unit stripped. There are some bushes which we are not going to pull apart. They are in the bottom assembly of the unit. They're also in the end plate through where the cylinder pivots in, both front and back, and also in the cylinder eyes. Sweet, so we've got it all back together now. As you can see, it's nice and simple. Very few parts to make up the whole thing, and that's probably the secret to the success and why they are such a big hit. We hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about the Attach2 product, check out some of our other videos, either here and here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel.